Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off advanced data protection on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on your Apple account profile. Now we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Advanced Data Protection. In here, you will be able to turn on or turn off Advanced Data Protection. Now, say that Advanced Data Protection is not yet available in your country or region. So it is not available in all the regions. If you are in the United States, it will be available for you to turn it on. But in some other regions, it is not yet available. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.